Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add line in header and footer in Word document. So let's start this my Word document. You can see I already add a line on header and footer also. So I show you the full document here. So see the on header and footer the line showing. So let's see how it's done. So first, to insert header line, just double click the area of the header, just double click on it and then go to the design tab. In page background group, click on the page border option and you can see here the one dialog box is open, borders and shadings. Then click on the first tab, the borders. Okay, and after that select the style of border. So here the number of styles available of the border. So I select the simple one, and after that you can change the color also here, select the color also here. So I select here the simply red, and here the thickness level I select the 3pt. Okay, now you can see here the showing the preview of the Word documents. Now I want the line on header, so I select this first box and you can see in preview documents the line is showing on the header. Okay, after that just click on OK. Now you can see the line is added in header. Okay, now I just press the escape key and drag below, and same as double click on the footer to insert line in footer. So I just double click on the footer, you can see the cursor here showing, and same as go to the design tab. In page borders option, and here the borders and shading dialog box is open. Click on the borders tab, same as select the line those you want to. I select the first one, then I select here the color red one, and the thickness also you can select here. I select the 3pt. Now you can see the preview. I select this box to add line on bottom side. Okay, this is the documents of the Word. So here the preview showing the where is the line showing. Okay, this is the left, right and top. So here the bottom side on footer side the line is added. Okay, after that just click on OK, and you can see here in footer the line also added. So this is a way you can add line in header and footer in Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.